To sew on elastic on a Pfaff sewing machine, you do have a stitch by that exact name, an elastic stitch. So when you touch the arrow pointing down, you can find it on the list. Now some of those utility stitches that you kind of don't know what they're supposed to be used for, but this one, stitch number 9, I'll touch the check mark to select it, is actually, it's not just a zigzag stitch, it's actually going to stitch once in between each side, you might say. So as I put my elastic directly underneath the foot, I'm using 0A with the dual feed or the IDT engaged at a normal tension. All I need to do is stitch but gently pull. By pulling, that is going to give the fabric and the elastic the stretch that I'm desiring. So I would have either measured or pulled to a mark that I'd already pre-made. For today, I'm just kind of giving it an extra little pull, so I'll have a gentle gather. And you can see it's very well secured, has the stretch that we would need, and that elastic is perfectly stitched. Now if you're having trouble stitching through elastic, maybe some skip stitches, change your needle to a stretch needle, and that's one of the needles that comes with this machine. And the stretch needle has that little yellow yellow mark on the top, so you know which ones are your stretch needles. That can help when you're stitching through some lycra, elastic, or plastic type fabrics.